Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, I'm Jessica and I'm so excited to be here with you guys and taking you on this amazing adventure that I have prepared. We're going to explore the stunning hidden beaches of the Rock Beach in Andalusia, Spain in 4K. Make sure you don't miss the beauty of this place. If you are as amazed as I am, don't forget to press the like button and write a comment down below. Today, let's start our journey of exploration at the white sandy beaches of La Villa. This place looks like a tranquil paradise made of turquoise waters and golden sand. Let's take a few minutes to admire the beauty of the scenery and feel the sun rays spread all over our face. Moving on, we come to the hidden beach of El Cenizo. This is a nice and secluded beach, and it's an ideal spot to soak up the sun and take some memorable pictures. Surrounded by nature and enveloped in silence, it's a perfect escape from the busy life. After that, we're off to the beach of Cantalobo. It's a small sandbank few meters far away from shore which offers stunning views over the adjacent cliffs. You can even spot some small vessels nearby. It's the ideal spot for some Instagrammable shot. Finally, we have reached our last beach of the excursion, Cala Bernardes. This is a beach characterized by the tall, red and white striped pillars standing tall in the sea. Perfect for a picnic or simply to relax, it has a spot for every taste. I hope you enjoyed this tour with me as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to have you join me in my next adventure very soon. That's it for now. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!